GIT workflow for Argo CD. GitOps. What is a GIT workflow for Argo CD? A GIT workflow for Argo CD is the structured process teams use to manage Kubernetes application. Deployment configuration using GIT is the single source of truth. It defines how application manifests are updated, how Helm charts or customized configs are changed, how Argo CD syncs changes, how production deployments are controlled, why it matters for Argo CD. Every GIT commit can trigger a deployment. One bad YAML can break production. Rollbacks must be fast. Deployments happen frequently. So workflow equals stability plus control plus safe GitOps deployments. Why Argo CD projects need a proper GIT workflow? Argo CD projects usually include Kubernetes manifests, Helm charts or customized overlays, environment configs, dev, staging, prod, Argo CD application definitions, CI pipeline configs, without workflow, cross-mark broken clusters, cross-mark failed syncs, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark no release history. With workflow, check mark stable deployments, check mark predictable releases, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer changes, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Argo CD. Common structure. Main means production manifests. Develop means active changes. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepare deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, payment service, feature, ingress rules, release, version 1.8.0. Hotfix, bad config. Why? Protects production clusters, supports parallel work, enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. Argo CD. For each task, create branch from develop. Update Kubernetes manifests or Helm values. Test changes in dev cluster. Validate YAML. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes. Prevents breaking production. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark commit directly to main. Cross-mark edit live cluster manually. Good practice. Check mark one service per branch. Check mark one config change per branch. Pull requests in Argo CD projects. PRs are used to review Kubernetes manifests, review Helm or customize changes, check resource limits, validate security settings, run automated tests. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark linked issue, ticket, check mark test results, check mark deployment notes. Why? Prevents cluster outages, documents infra changes, improves quality. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description. Cross-mark no tests. Cross-mark huge PR. Commit strategy for Argo CD. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add Argo CD app for auth service. Fix ingress annotation. Update replica count for API. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Final. Why? Easy rollback, easy debugging, clean GIT history. Daily workflow in Argo CD teams. Typical flow. Pull latest develop. Create feature branch. Update manifests. Test in dev. Commit changes. Push branch. Create PR. Review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts. Keeps work isolated. Keeps production safe. Hotfix workflow for Argo CD. When production breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix manifest. Test quickly. Sync to staging. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeat issues. Example. Hotfix, wrong image tag. Release strategy for Argo CD. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze changes. Run integration tests. Sync to staging. Sync to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 3.0.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Argo CD teams. Review focuses on manifests, security, resource usage, scaling behavior, sync strategy, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer outages, better reliability, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in Argo CD workflow. Automation should run YAML validation, run unit tests, build container images, update image tags in Git, trigger Argo CD sync. On every PR, run tests, lint YAML, validate manifests. Why? Prevents broken clusters, saves time, builds confidence. Tools. Argo CD, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Helm, Customize, Terraform. Common Argo CD Git mistakes. Direct commits to main. No PR reviews. No tests. Manual kubectl in production. No version tags. Why? Risky GitOps setup. Hard debugging. No audit trail. Naming conventions. Branches. Feature, auth service. Feature, HPA config. Release, version 2.5.0. Hotfix, image tag. Commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example, fix Argo CD sync config. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps Argo CD projects scale. As system grows, more microservices, more clusters, more developers, more releases. Good workflow. Check mark keeps Git clean. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy. Argo CD Git workflow is like railway signal system. Without system, trains crash. With system, safe travel. Branches equals tracks. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals live route. In simple words, Argo CD Git workflow means change Git, review change. Argo CD deploys safely. Best strategy for Argo CD projects. Use check mark feature branches. Check mark release branches. Check mark mandatory PRs. Check mark CI automation. Check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits. Cross mark no testing. Cross mark no reviews. In Argo CD, GitOps projects, your Git commits control real Kubernetes clusters. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark builds trust.